So here in the Consumer Protection Division of Beasley Allen, there's a number of types of cases that we bring in addition to class actions and commercial litigation. And one of those is what we refer to as Qui Tam cases. They're also known as whistleblower cases. They're called Qui Tam cases, which is a Latin term which basically means he who brings the case for the king and himself. So you're really representing not only yourself when you bring these cases, but you're representing the government as well. So as lawyers, we actually have two clients, but their interests are aligned. And the basic cause of action under the Qui Tam statute, which is known as the False Claims Act, is brought basically to stop corruption. For example, in healthcare industry and a lot of times in government contracts, you'll have these people who basically are committing fraud against the government with government funds. A lot of times you'll see these with doctors somehow getting consulting contracts or government employees who are basically providing services that they never provide. Now, in order to be a whistleblower under the Qui Tam statute, you have to have some firsthand knowledge about what's actually occurring in this corruption. So one of the things that we always point out to our clients is, as a whistleblower, you have protections under the statute because oftentimes a whistleblower is afraid that there'll be a backlash, that somehow they'll be retaliated against. And there is an anti-retaliation provision in the statute that protects whistleblowers. It's a very important feature of the statute because most people are afraid to come forward. We have about 20 of these cases going on right now, but they're all filed under seal. That's a requirement under the statute. So we don't hear a lot about those cases until they either go to trial or they're settled. In order for you to be a whistleblower, usually it's a bookkeeper, a nurse, or someone dealing directly with services involving the federal government. And when that occurs, and you see something going on, you should contact an attorney because you may be the next whistleblower that protects taxpayer funds from corruption.